So today we are going to start a new topic using joins. Why we are going to use joins? We have told if you have 2 or 3 table in your database, this is important. Please listen to me very well and understand, focus it. If you have usually up to now we have worked with single tables. After relationships, we have started to work with many tables. In most of the database system, there is more than one table in the design of them. And then if you want to display some information, if you want to list some information from the several different table, you need to use join query. We have 3 types of the join query: cross join, inner join, outer join. Also, we can divide it the outer join, left join or left outer join, right join or right outer join, full join or full outer join. They are same things. If you hear left join, this means left outer join. If you hear right join, this means right outer join. If you hear full join, this means full outer join. Cross join, basically we have 3 join: cross join, inner join, and outer join. We will learn all of them. Again, let's tell one more time to start from the learning about joins. If you are working with more than one tables, you need to use join for select queries. So general formulation for the joins is a select list of the columns you already know from the first table, and join type second table on join condition. And you in this clause on clause you will define how to join the tables. And then you need to tell join types. You already know basic select query. Select, after the select, you need to list of the column you want to see. And from first table here is a left table, and then second table will be right table. Let's see this example. For example, in this example, we have 2 tables. First table is a table employees. Other one is a table departments. This is a first table. This is a second table, or left table and right table. Let's implement this table in our SQL Server to make our practice. So in this practice, we are going to implement department database. Let's see if there is a department or not. I think we don't have department already. Let's implement this one, execute. So executed. Now we should have department database. Department, and inside it we have 2 tables. One of them is a department table, other one is an employee table. And already we have entered some information inside them. Also, you can do this one in your computer. We have inserted some information into them. If you want to see, you can see them. Inside the department, we have this information. Inside the employee, we have this information already entered. So let's do first cross join. To be honest, there is no too much use case of the cross join in the real life. For example, if you do this cross join, you will see this output. This output is actually it is not meaningful. Why? Let's explain. In a cross join, from the left and right, they will match each other, like multiplication table, like that, for example. For example, you have here 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. And by the same way, continue. 2 times 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And by the same way, 1 times 3, 2 times 2, sorry, 2 times 2, 3 times 2, sorry, 3 times 2, 6. By the same way, 1 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 3, you can continue like that. This means you are matching every 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10 with ones first. Yes, and you are matching again 1, 2, 3 till 10 with twos. Yes, again you are matching every record from 1, 2, 3 with multiplication of them with 4 to this place. It is in the multiplication you are matching, you are making cross, join like that. But nobody will use SQL queries to make multiplication table like that. Yes, that's why actually there is no use of it. There is no meaning. For example, if you match the first record Ahmed with every single record, Ahmed IT, Ahmed Mustafa IT, Selim IT, John IT, Remzi IT, Yasin IT, like that. After that, again, you are matching with second ones. Ahmed, you are matching with computer engineering. Ahmed with computer engineering. Again, Ahmed, Mustafa, second record, computer engineering. Mustafa, computer engineering. Selim, computer engineering. Again, start from beginning. Ahmed, match with architecture. Second employee, Mustafa, with architecture. Even there is no meaning of this one because Ahmed is from the department IT. From the IT, yes. If you match Ahmed with IT and here you are matching it with computer engineering, yes. There is no meaningful of it. If you run this query, we can implement this query and you can run it and you can get this table output, but this table is not a meaningful thing, yes. But if you want to know how to make it, first of all, we are selecting columns. For example, I want to display name. As you guess, name will come from this table. Surname will come from this table. Department name will come from this table. Now, if in the select query, if some fields coming from one table, some fields coming from another table, you must use join table. We told you have 3 options to use: join, cross join, inner join, and outer join. First of them is a cross join. This means table employee, this one, first table, table 1. And you are joining it to department table using cross join. You can cross join this table to this table. But result is not meaningful, as you see. Yes, that's why in this application using cross join, it doesn't have any meaningful result for us. But if you want to know how to make cross join, it is easy. After from, you are writing first table and then cross join to the next table. Yes, here they are the same. Department, you can write the department first table from table, cross join to the table employee. You can do this one. Let's do this one. Yes, execute this query in the SQL Server. But I told you there's no any meaningful things for it. Result. Query. You'll get this output. We told, to be honest, there is no, in the real life, too much use case of it. But if you want to know some use case, you can look at these links and you will see good to application of it there. For example, take in the table 1, you have colors. In the table 2, we have size. And you can do like that query. Select C color as size. Color will come from the first table. It is a column here, yes. Size, it is a column in this table, size. From will come. Then if you want to display this color and size attribute together, like that, color and size attribute as an output, you should make cross. You should make one, you should use join query. Table color, this one, first table, cross join it to the table size. If you want to know what is C and S, C is a nickname for table color. This means color will come to table color. Size will come, because S is a nickname of table. If you want to nickname in the select query, if you want to give nickname to the tables, you can give, but in the displays. For example, you can, for example, we have this nickname, but we defined this nickname in this point, but doesn't matter. You don't need to, it is not like a variable. For example, in the variable, in programming, you should define first variable, after that you can use it. But in the SQL Server, if you want to use alias, we are calling it alias, nickname, if you want to use nickname, you can give a nickname to your table before define it. Yes, for example, I have used the C nickname here for the table color, but I didn't define C before I have used C in this place. Yes, doesn't matter. You can define what is C later. We have defined C is a letter. Is a anything, one good knowledge for you. So what is the meaning of this one? This means if you want to make some report, for example, and then it is a good meaning, it has some meaning, yes? You are matching red with all size, red small, and red large, and red extra large. Yes, after that you can, same things, red, next one is a blue, blue small, blue medium, blue large, blue extra large. You can, here there's it can be some meaning, yes, because we want to list all products with available color and size. It has some meaningful here. So inner join. In the inner join, inner join returns only matching rows between the both table. For example, we have this table and this table, and we want to list. We want to get this list. In this list, to get this list, you need to get name. Name will come from this table. Surname will come from this table. And department name will come from this table. Now, if you want to get this list, clearly you can see you need to join query, because some of field will come from one table, some of field will come from this table. That's why you need to use join query. In this example, we will use inner join. Why? Because we want to display only matching rows. For example, look at this night employee, Alan. He doesn't have department, null. This means Alan doesn't have matching record with departments. Yes, here. That's why In the output, we will not see Alan and Sakip. We will not see Alan and Sakip in this output because they don't have these two of them. They don't have any matching record here. Yes, there is no match here. That's why if you want to use inner join, it is easy. Select name, surname, and department. And from table employee, this one, left side, saying first table or the left table, yes. And then inner join, we are joining this table to the table department. We are joining this table to this table. But how we are joining? By using inner join type. When you join them by the meaning of the inner join, this means non-matching result will not be show up here. And then after inner join, you should tell how will you join them. Yes, because in the table employee, we have this field. Yes, and then table employee dot underscore table department ID equal to the table department ID. Yes, this is a foreign key here. As you can guess easily, this is a foreign key here. This one is a primary key here. Primary key. This means to make these two tables, we have used foreign key and primary key, as you can see here easily. Table department is the first here first table we have implemented. After that, in the second table, we have department ID, but this department ID is not belong to this table. In this table, employee ID is already primary key. This key came from here. That's why it is a foreign key here. Yes, between them, there is a like that relationship. And in the inner join, it is only matching record will come. If there is a non-matching record, will not come. Also, look at here. In output, there's no bioengineering. If you look at, there's no bioengineering. Why? Because none of the employee, look at one, bioengineering ID is a 4. None of the employee is not working for the bioengineering. This means bioengineering also doesn't have matching record. This one also not matching record. This means bioengineering will not come out, will be seen here. All by the same way, Alan and Sagir already will not be seen in the result. Because this is important. Inner join returns only matching rows in both tables, matching rows. Also, instead of inner join, you can tell only join. They are the same things. They are the exactly same things. You can tell inner join or join. If you don't tell anything, if you tell only join, this means it is a by default inner join. They are the same thing. Join and inner join, they are the same things. So in this example, join, there is a join. What does it mean join? Inner join. Yes, we told join also here. Join means inner join. So in this example, both of them same. Look at table employee, this one. Yes, table employee. This is our table employee. And then table department, this one. This is our table department. This is a department table employee. This means you can join table employee by using inner. Inner means in the both table, result will come out, but only matching one. This one is will not come. These records will not come. By the same way, these records will not come here. And if you look at Ahmet Havler, number 1 is a IT. Ahmet Havler IT will come here. So if let's do this one to see the importance of this one. So let's run it here. So if you will not use join query, you can do only this one. So let's look at the table employee columns. In the table employee, we have name, surname, and we don't have department name. Yes, we don't have department name. That's why it is wrong. Look at. Instead of it, what we have, you have department ID. When you execute, you can see. Let's execute both of them. Look at, if you execute this one only, you can display name, surname, department ID. Because department name is not available in this table employee. Inside the table employee, this is important. Inside the table employee, department name is not available. But we know that department name available in the department table. And if you want to, instead of department ID, you can display here department names. How? Instead of, if you want to display department name will come from the another table. That's why you need to use join. Yes, table employee, same, and join it to the table department. We will join table employee to the table department by using inner join. We told you can use inner or join. They are the same things. Inner or join, they are inner join and join, they are the same thing. You can do this one. And then when you are using join, you should tell how will you join to table. You can join to table by their foreign key. Inside the table employee, we have department ID dot underscore department ID. Inside the second table department, we have department ID. Let's execute. Select. From so in the table employee, we have department IDs. In the table department, we have department names available. Department names. So you can, if you will not use the join query, you can display them separately, like that, separately. But in this list, we don't have employees. In this list, we don't have department names. Yes, separate you can show, but in this list, we have together employees and department name. As you see, you can see the very good use of the inner join. You can see the employee and department, because if you want to make a list, which in this list, if you want to display employee and also department names, there is no like that table. Department name is staying inside another table, employee is staying inside another table. If you want to display these two information in the same place, you need to use join query. When you are making join query, you have three options. Cross join. Cross join will not work here because we have seen in the first table we'll match every single match record in the second table. That's why we don't want. Only we want to display matching record. Ahmed, if Ahmed matching with number 1, we want to display Ahmed one time. Yes. If Ahmed is not matching with the architecture department, we don't want to display it as an output, matching record. So if you tell what in my list also, I want to see the non-matching records, you can do this one by using the another query type. Let's see them. Here also there is another option. They are the same. Okay. In the first, we have used table employee. Here we have used table department. This means we will join table department to the table employee. In that time, you should start from the table department because you mentioned here table department first. That's why table department dot table ID is equal to this is the join criteria, and table employee dot underscore table department. We will make join according to this criteria. If they are matching, join them. Yes, we can change their places from employee to inner join to department or department inner join to the table employee. They will give the same result to us. Here. So in the left join, what is happening? It will return all matching rows and non-matching rows from the left table. Let's see. For example, table employee is a first table. This means is a left table. It is left table. Yes, it is a left table. Left outer join. And table department is a right table here. Left. This means what will happen? All matching records. Ahmed, Mustafa, Selim, John, Remzi, Yasin, Sami, Igor has matching. Will be listed here. Yes. IT, computer engineering architecture will be listed here because they have matching, but only non-matching from the left side. Left one is a table employee here. Non-matching, Alan and Sakib will come out also here, but bioengineering will not become here. I hope you understand this point. This one is a non-matching record here. And this one, non-matching record here. But non-matching one will come only from the left table. Left table is a here. Table employee, first left table. Left outer join, table department is a right table here. Will come. If you do this one, instead of left outer join, you can tell left join. They are the same things. Left outer join and left join, they are the same things. We didn't learn right join, that's why let's first learn right join. After that, we'll come back this place. Right join or right outer join, they are the same things again. Right outer join and right join, same. How it is working now? It return only matching rows. Matching rows, these ones, we told. This one, all matchings. This one matching here. This one also matching here. They have all matching records. Bioengineering doesn't have any matching record here, we told before. Alan and Sagib doesn't have any matching record here. They are the matching. All these records will come out here. But also non-matching from the right side this time, because we told right. There's a left table and right table is a table department. This means from right side, non-matching bioengineering will come. And if you look at the result, bioengineering here, but since bioengineering doesn't have any employee, that's why name and surname will be here, null and null. If you look at the previous one, Alan, non-matching from the left side, this is a left outer join, they will come, but they don't have any matching records. That's why department ID will be null for Alan and Sagip because Alan and Sagip doesn't have any matching record in this table, and departments will come here. If you don't want to display these non-matching from left and right side, in that case you need to use inner join. Again, we thought right outer join and right join, they are the same. Again, if you are using join, you should tell the matching criteria. Matching criteria, if you start with table employee, you should start with table employee. Dot table departments should be equal to second table here, table department, to the table, these values if same display. For example, ID, the underscore ID 1, same with this one. And this means display them to here. Yes, Ahmet and Havler will come from here, IT will come from here. And 3 and 3 is equal. And display here. Mustafa, Can Polat, here, not here, this one. Mustafa Can Polat, architecture. Mustafa Can Polat, 3 is a architecture. Come here, display. 1 and 1. This one and this one matching. This one and this one matching. Yes. Selim Koya. Selim Koya. And then 1 means IT. Selim Koya, IT matching. All if matching coming to here. Yes. So we thought these ones same. How they are same? Look at now. Table employee, left table. Yes. Table department, right table here. Right in this query. That's why non-matching from the table employee will come. Alan and Sakib doesn't have matching record, they will come. Yes. Here, table department is a left, table employee right. That's why right from the right, and from the employee table, non-matching will come. Again, Alan and Sakib is in the employee, non-matching one will come out. They are the same. By the same way, look at table employee is a left table. From table employee left table, table department is the right table. This means non-matching come from the right side because we thought right join. Non-matching record in the right side in the department is bioengineering. Bioengineering will be show up here. And here again, in this one not right join. This one this time left join. This means not from the left, from right, from the left. This one from here. Non-matching. Who's the non-matching in the department? Again, bioengineering will be show up. They are the same. If you want to get this result, you can use right join or left join, but you should change the first and second table order here. We can get same result by using right and left join, but if you are using right join, first one should be table employee. If you are using left join, first table should be table department. In that case, you can get the same result. So full join. We told outer join has a 3. Left join, right, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Full outer join, you can guess now. All matching records plus non-matching record from left and right side. This means everything will be listed here. Yes. For example, outer join. If you tell outer join, here there is something wrong. It should not be, it can be full join, full outer join. So outer is a here optional. It should be full join, full join, full join here. It should be full join, and second one, or in first one should be this one. And also you can tell full join. You can use full join here, full join. Yes. So it here can be full outer join. Full outer join means it should be wrong, or maybe it is working, I don't know, but full outer join is the correct one. Full outer join can be, what does it mean? It will match all records from left and right side, also non-matching from the both sides. Non-matching here, this one, non-matching here, this one. Also they will be come out. Look at Alan, Sakip, and bioengineering will come out. Yes. Or you can tell only full join. Full join. Already full join. I didn't see, sorry. This one. Because of different column, I couldn't realize it. Yes, it is correct. Full outer join is correct. Full outer join, this one is correct. Full outer join and full join. Yes, it is already there, full join. So you can use full join or full outer join. Now it's okay. In the full join, we told matching records will come out and non-matching record also will come out from both tables. So what is the here? Full join, and again full join. They are same. Different one is the order of the table. If you write table employee first or second, result will not change, because matching and non-matching from the right and left side it is logically same. Yes. Here table order doesn't important. In the inner join also table order doesn't important, because in the inner join only matching record will come, matching records. Yes, but in the left join and right join table order important up to which records we want to display or show up. So in this example, for example, it is from this website, example from this website. If want to, in this example, we have 3 tables. And then we want to display product name from this table. Product name will come from this table. Category name will come from this table. Brand name will come from this table. List price will come from, again, this table. This means we want to display some information, product name, category name, brand name, and list price from the 3 different tables. How can you join them? We can tell production product. This is the name of this table. Production product, as nickname is a P. And it will join to the inner join to the production categories. It will have inner join to the displays, and also it will have inner join to the production and production brands. It will have inner join to this side also. This means you can join this table into the 2 tables by using inner join or another join. Here we will use inner join. And when you use inner join, in only matching records in this table and in this table will come out here, and also matching record in this table and in this table will come out here. Also, you can use at the end order by descending order, product name. So we told P is a nickname. That's why now when you tell production and product is a P, you can use it. P means here, what does it mean? Production product. Production product category ID. This one. This means category ID here will come from here because P is a nickname of the production products. Again, by the same way, what is C? C is a nickname for the production categories. Production categories. This one is a C nickname given here. Now, this category ID should come from here. This ID, category ID from here, because it comes from the C. Yes. What about B? B is a nickname of the production branch. This one is a B. This one is a P nickname. In these places, you can give, when you mention first time table name, you can give it nickname. For example, when you mention production product, first time, you can give it as a nickname. Nickname will make your life easy to write your code. It will shorten. I hope it is clear. A little bit mixed, but it is logical. Here we have one example. Insert into the table employee. We are inserting new data. Dostaya 2, and we are selecting everything from table department and table employee. Yes, it display everything from table department and table employee, and we will make inner join. This means inner join means every matching record from table department and table employee. Yes, this record, this one will come from department table, and these records will come from the employee table. And if you see this, when you insert a record, you can see this record already also show up here. So you already know this one. If you insert Dostlan back number 6, it will not be insert because of the primary key, because we don't have like that department number 6. But here we have number 2 department already there. Yes, if you go back our department, number 2 we have already there. But if we don't have number 6, second one will not be inserted. This example is not related to the joins, but you can see it. So insert into the values, civil engineering, the new department we are entering. And then when you enter the new department, civil engineering, to the department table, if you didn't enter an employee, which we didn't enter for now, table civil engineering also will be come out in the list. But in which case, in the left join non-matching from the left side table department. Left join means from the table department non-matching. Before there was only bioengineering. Now also civil engineering will be non-matching record, because we have just entered the civil engineering, and for civil engineering we haven't entered a employee. That's why it will also come to the list. So here when we are entering another department, electronic engineering here, and when you select everything from department, you will have again 2 and electronic engineering entered here. They are not related to join. This is a summary of the joins. Inner join and join, they are the same things. Inner join only matching records from both table, left table and right table. You can think this is on the left table, this one's the right table. Only matching ones will come out. In the right join, only matching ones, and non-matching ones. But non-matching one from this side will come. From the right side it come. Here, matching records will come. Non-matching one from the left side, but non-matching one from the left side will come, from this side. If there is something non-matching here, will not come here. Full join and full outer join, matching one will come, and non-matching one from left side will come, and from the right side, non-matching one will come. It is summarizing that you can read these ones. So self-join. Actually, self-join is not different type of join. To make this self-join, let's do one thing. We haven't seen this one, but we can do this one also. Inside the department, let's do 2 more tables. Inside the department, we are doing 2 more tables. So in this table, we have self-join. We haven't seen just self-join, but it's actually not hard. For example, here you can make, in this table, you can make self-join. This means we have some stuffs information here and manager ID. This means you can make self-relation between them. How we will do? Look at here. In this table, in the stuff table, we have 2 foreign key. One of them, store ID, will come from here. This means this table link it to this table. Yes, one-to-many relationship. Also, here we make self relationship. How we make self relationship? Staff ID already primary key here. Also manager ID. Look at manager ID foreign key here, foreign key, and it is going to link to the staff ID. This one. This means self relationship here. We didn't say this one. This means any staff can be any time at the same time manager in one company. Yes, there is a, for example, you don't need to make another manager table here, manager table, because you can make it with self relationship. Now, if you have like the 2 table, let's see if we have like the 2 table or not, designed already. New diagram, staff and store. Look at. Between staff and store, there is a one-to-many relationship. In this staff, there is a self relationship. This means any staff can be at the same time manager. If you have like a table, you can do this join. For example, Mireya reports to Fabiola because the value in manager ID Mireya is Fabio. Look at, let's go Fabio. Mireya. Who's the manager of the Mireya? Number 1, Fabio. Fabio has no manager. It is correct. Fabio, null. Fabio doesn't have manager, but Fabio is a staff, also manager of the Mireya. Yes. This staff, number 2, is also Mireya is a staff in this company, but also she is manager of the this one. Yes, you can make this relationship like that. You don't need to make managers table separately. And you want to display something to them. For example, I want to display employee and their managers. Employee and their managers. First name plus last name. They are the nickname. You can guess E and E. It is not defined now, but this means in this query somewhere there is a difference. Yes, there is a definition of them. If you want to see from now, you can forward and you can see. For example, staff is a nickname of the E. Yes, E is a nickname of the staff. This means staff first name. This one, staff first name. E last name. Staff last name. Staff last name. This one. And displayed as an employee. As we didn't write it as, but you don't need to write as. It will display together first name space. Last name will be displayed as an employee here. First name space, last name will be displayed as a manager here. So, but there is one thing now. First name will come from this table. Last name will come from this table. But M, what is M? M first name. Let's find M. So M is another nickname for staff. Actually, E is a nickname for the left table. M is a nickname for the last table, the right table. Yes, inner join. There's a here inner join. Left side staff. E is a nickname of the staff table. M is a nickname of the staff table, but right table. This means this will come from the right table. M staff from here. We can do like that. We have two tables now here. We want to join them by using inner. But in the left, there is a staff table. On the right side, also there is a staff table. Both of them the same table because they have self-join, yes? Self-relationship between them. There is a self-relationship. This two table has a self-relationship in between them. So when you tell inner join, this means only bring the matching records. If there is no matching, don't bring them. Mireya, who's the manager of the Mireya? Fabio. Who's the manager of this one? This one. Who's the manager of this one? This one. This means we can get this list by using inner join. If you look at the employee here, employee, inner join, what it will do? Only matching one will come. Fabio will not come. If you look at here, Fabio is not there because Fabio doesn't have any matching record with the manager. That's why Fabio will not come out here. But if you tell left join, okay, left join. Left join means from the staff, non-matching will come. Yes, non-matching, Fabio is non-matching also will come out, but there will be null to it. All employee will come, either they have manager or not. Here there is a more confusing thing. Again, I want to display ST, first name and last name together. First name and last name together. First name and last name together. Again here. First one will be customer, will come customer 1. Second one will be shown as a customer 2, and ST will come here. Also, there is a nickname here, C1. If you want to find what is C1, you should forward, proceed, and you should see here. Customers is a nickname of the C1. C1 is a nickname of the customers. C1. Also, C2, nickname of the customers. Both of them are the C. But C1 left table here. C1 left table and customer same. C2 is a right table, and this time they have inner join between them. C2. This means first name and last name will come from the left table. This first name and last name will come from this table, but they are actually same table. Doesn't matter. Inner join. They will come here. Only if their city matching. Yes, in the and their city matching. This means if there is a two customer, for example, Douglas and Gray. They are, if they are from the same city, they will come out. Also, this customer and this customer from the same city, they will come out. This customer and this customer from the same city will come out. Only there is one trick here. Customer one and customer, if customer one bigger than customer ID, that time show. If you add in the criteria, you can logical AND. This means this criteria and this criteria should be correct. This means also it will show, it will help us to not display the same record two times. For example, Douglas, if you not tell like that, yes, if you not do this one, Douglas, Gray, this option also correct, yes, Gray and Douglas. Because Gray and Douglas from the same city also should come to this city, but in that case, if you not use this one, it will come in that case. But if they are not same, this means this one and bigger than this one, it will not come out. This is one trick. Just you should know this trick. If you not use this trick here, same customers will be list again. If you not use bigger or smaller, you can use also smaller here. Not equal, it will also display many records. Here, this one is the correct use, correct trick. If you want to display customers from the same city, you can use this type of queries for spatial reports. Actually, we are not using too much. But if you not use this trick, you can use also this trick here. Instead of if you use like that or not use, you'll get much bigger list because it will repeat. Look at we thought, for example, this one and this one, they are actually same. Yes, appearing two times on the list. Because these two customers from the same city, these two customers also from the same city. But here, it will appear only one times. Yes, because of this trick, it will list on the list only one time. But if you do this one, or if you not do this trick, same customer will be listed again and again, because it is correct also. This one and this one from the same city, this one and this one also from the same city. So you can see this trick by restricting where Albany from only display customer from the same city, but in the country of the Albany, in the Albany country. For example, if you use this trick, is that okay? Douglas, Gray will be listed only one time, but here Douglas and Gray will be listed, and then Gray and Douglas will be listed again. This is not correct usage here. Or if you omit it. So, do you have any question?